our capital, to not burn our embassy, because if they burn
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County in southwestern Utah until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of New Harmony, Oregon, 28 miles west of Zion National Park, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Utah,